Every child possesses limitless potential and they deserve nothing but the finest education. Strategic financial planning is necessary to combat the escalating fees and financial requirements. Are you making sure that your savings and investments are prudently done? In this video, let us evaluate the performance of HDFC Life Click to Achieve. This research analysis will help you gain clarity and guide you in choosing the right investment product catering to your financial needs and requirements. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. HDFC Life Click to Achieve is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. The main features are flexibility to receive the guaranteed benefit as a lump sum or as regular income. Premium offset feature allows you to offset your premium against survival benefit payout. Survival or income benefit can be deferred and allowed to accrue taken as lump sum when required. There are two plan options, Smart Student and Dream Achiever. Next, let us look at the benefits under the two plan option. First, death benefit. Under the Smart Student option, the highest of sum assured on death, that is the 10 times annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid or surrender value. Under Dream Achiever option, the highest of sum assured, which is the minimum 7 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid or surrender value. Next, survival benefit. Under Smart Student option, it is payable in the last 3, 4 or 5th policy year, and it starts from the policy year when the life assured is aged either 16 or 18 years as chosen by the policy holder. Under a Dream Achiever option, it is as chosen by the policy holder. Maturity benefit. The last installment of survival benefit is payable on maturity under Smart Student option. Under Dream Achiever, sum assured on maturity is payable either in lump sum or in installment. Now let's look at the other inbuilt features under Smart Student option. Outstanding achievement award is paid in cash. Waiver of premium on death, waiver of premium on critical illness, waiver of premium on total and permanent disability. Under a Smart Dream Achiever plan option, extra premium is payable for the following options: waiver of premium on death, waiver of premium on critical illness, waiver of premium on total and permanent disability. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of HDFC Life Click to Achieve. Advantages: option to decrease premium after completion of 5 policy years, change in premium payment frequency and income benefit frequency are allowed. Policy loan will be available subject to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Juvenile critical illness cover is available on payment of additional premium. Next, disadvantage: plan option once chosen cannot be changed after inception. Some of the features are available at an extra premium. There is no maturity benefit under the Smart Student plan option. Now we are heading towards the analytical part. HDFC Click to Achieve allows the investor to customize the plan based on the requirement. There is flexibility in receiving the benefit either as a regular income in the name of survival benefit or as a lump sum amount in the name of maturity benefit. This review segment deals with the calculation of the returns. You can compare the returns with other investment returns as well. A 35-year-old male opts for the Dream Achiever option under HDFC Click to Achieve. The sum assured is rupees 10 lakhs. The policy term and the premium paying term are 15 years. The annual premium amount is rupees 1 lakh. Since the policyholder has chosen the lump sum benefit, there is no survival benefit. The final maturity value here is rupees 24 lakh 5,585. The IRR calculation for this cash flow is 5.70%. Here, the survival benefit is deferred. Even in such case, the IRR is below par than even a debt instrument return. If you opt for survival benefit under HDFC Click to Achieve, then the returns will be at rock bottom. All the benefits are customizable under HDFC Click to Achieve, but the returns don't look that promising. Now let us compute the returns for similar investments. Instead of investing the money in HDFC Click to Achieve plan, if you invest in an alternate investment combination, what will be the outcome? Before investing, we need to set aside a premium for life cover as HDFC Click to Achieve offers life cover as well. Now let us assume the same metrics as seen in the above illustration and work out the IRR. The premium for a pure term life insurance for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs would cost rupees 5,000 per annum. The policy term and the premium paying term are 15 years. In the earlier illustration, the same would cost rupees 1 lakh. This leaves a balance of rupees 95,000 for investment. Minding your goal and time horizon is very important while choosing an investment vehicle. Investors with high risk profile can go for equity instruments, and investors who are risk averse can settle with debt instruments. Make sure your risk profile aligns with the investment's risk profile. PPF account and ELSS are chosen here to illustrate the returns under debt and equity asset classes respectively. The final maturity value under the PPF account is rupees 25.76 lakhs. The pure term policy, pure term life insurance premium along with PPF investment yields an IRR of 6.51%. ELSS maturity values are subject to capital gains tax. The tax calculation is given here and the required tax amount is set aside from the proceeds. The post-tax maturity value under ELSS is 37.22 lakhs. The pure term life insurance along with ELSS investment yields an IRR of 10.71%. This is a post-tax return. Working out the IRR reveals that investing separately for life goals is always the right choice because the returns are higher than the inflation rate. These investments have an upper hand over traditional life insurance policies in terms of returns as well as liquidity. Here is our final verdict on HDFC Life Click to Achieve. This plan aims to cater to goals that require periodic payment spread over 3 to 4 years. Based on your financial requirements, you can customize your plan. Funding a goal with a lump sum is different from funding a goal that requires resources across different time frames. On that note, HDFC Life Click to Achieve helps you to customize the survival benefit, which is an added advantage. Other than that, HDFC Life Click to Achieve is a traditional life insurance policy offering mediocre returns. Due to hefty charges, the return on investment is lesser than the inflation rate, resulting in a deficit in the corpus required for the goal. In essence, it neither provides you with appropriate life cover nor helps you in achieving your goals. Term policies offer a high coverage amount at lower premiums compared to other life insurance products. They provide straightforward life coverage without investment or savings component, ensuring financial protection for your family. For life goals, build a diversified investment portfolio. Keeping investments separate from insurance is the right path to reach your goals. Consult your financial planner to choose investments based on your requirements. A detailed review of HDFC Life Click to Achieve is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.